So DFS, distributed file system. Distributed file system. So what is this distributed file system? Look at here. This is a machine, or think like it is a server. It is another server. It is another server. Okay, this is my client. Okay, so for example, this server name is S1. This server name is S2. This server name is S3. Okay, and this is my client. The client has this server shared a folder. Folder name is, for example, project 1, project 2, project. Now client want to access project 1, and what he should know? He should know where is project 1. Where is project 1? Which server having project 1 folder, right? Which server having project 1 folder now? S1, right? So what I have to do it? I have to go to run S1 slash project, right? So I have to open the sharing slash S1 slash project 1. So then I can open the project 1. Now I want a project 3. Again, I should know, client should know where is project 3. Slash S1 slash project. Sorry, not S1, it is S3. Right? So wherever the shared folders are there, so our client should go through each and every server and get that information. So it is very easy normally by looking at here. Sometimes it is difficult, sometimes we have a problems. Of course, the second part is also there, replication part. But think like this. I use a common name. Common name for this one. So name replication. Just I have some common name, like a yes is a common name, or some domain name. So for example, my domain.com name. So some name, a common name, or any name like a here's it's a common name. So or a domain name. So usually domain name we use it. Okay, so domain name is generally we use it. Or a one single common name we can use it. So for example, slash domain1.com. I link here everything under that one. Projects is there. Okay, so I share a common name is projects under my domain. So when a client open these projects, when a client open this location, he see the project 1, project 2, and project 3. So what happens here? I no need to go to each and every server. Go to one single location. We'll get all the data. We'll get all the data. This is called a DFS. Okay, distributed file system. So instead of connecting each and every server for their shared folder data, what I done, I connect with a common name. So then a common name or a common location. There I can able to see all the shared folders related to that part. We can do it. So how to do it? By DFS server. Okay. By DFS server. So in DFS we can able to do it like this. This is DFS. I said no, there is another one is there. DFS replication. What is this DFS replication? For example, in S3, I have a project 2. Okay, so my point is this project 1 and project 2 must maintain same data. Must maintain same data. It should be synchronized. Okay, so by using DFS replication, what are the data in the project 2 in the S1, and the same data should be maintained here also. So because of that one, I can get data from S3 or S2. I can get it, or you can get it the data from here. Advantages is there. If in case a server is down, still we have a data. Understand? If my S2 is down, no problem. We have a replicated data is there. We can able to get it. This is DFS replication. There is a lot of naming conventions also there. DFS incorporate technologies that provide fault tolerance, access to geographical dispersed files. For example, this server is in New Jersey. Okay, this server is in New Jersey. This server is in Delhi. Okay, this server is in Sydney or London. Okay, so for example, it's a different geographical location servers are there. So if I'm in a New York, NYC, okay, or London, LON, New Jersey, New York, and this is Delhi or Hyderabad. So better we put a Hyderabad here. It is in Hyderabad. Now I'm in Pune, which is my nearest server. S2, right? I'm in Pune, nearest server is S2. For example, I'm in New York City, nearest server is S3. If I'm in New Jersey or California, like that is S1 is nearest one. And replication. So I'm in Hyderabad. I no need to take a data from here. I can take a data from here also. Even though if server is down, no problem. We'll get a data from other server. That is replication. So geographically dispersed meaning is that one. Fault tolerance. If one server is down, we can get a data from other server. Okay. So these are things are there. So just one namespace and replication. First one I told DFS namespace. Second one I told replication. Namespace means single name. You'll get all the shared folders under single name only. Domain based namespace, standalone namespace is also there. So I've written domain based namespace. This is the domain name based space, based namespace. Standalone name base meaning is contact DFS server. For example, DFS server name is DFS1. Contact like this // DFS1 / projects. So obviously all these project names will show here. I can able to access. This is standalone. Okay. Yeah, so including yeah, this is the original diagram, good diagram of your explanation purpose for understanding also. So I will cut this diagram. So sorry, I'll cut the slide. I will send it to you. Okay. Okay. So look at here. This is New York server. This is a London server. Okay. So there is a project docs. Are there project docs? Project docs. The user in the New York is take data from New York server. User in the London will take a data from London server by individually like a / London server project docs / New York server / project docs. So instead of that one, I create a one DFS part, contact DFS with a single namespace, like a marketing. Under that one, you can see their servers from there, what are there shared. Okay, so I can access, for example, I want to access this data or this data, so I don't need to worry, simply contact DFS server like this, contact with a single namespace, will get all the shared folders. Which one you required, you will take that one. So client computer connect the namespace server and receive a referral. So which folder you want to go, which one you want to require, take it. Client computer cache the referral and then contact first server the profile. Which one you want it? You want to get take a data from here or here? You can contact and get it. Okay, that is called a namespace. Next one is DFS replication. Replication means this project docs and this project docs in these servers, data will be replicate each other. Okay.
Yes.
This user is created as some data. This user created some data in this one. This will be replicated to this server. So both machines maintain same data.
Same data.
Okay. So this is replication, DFS
Replication.
Guys, understand namespace and a replication.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll save it. This is a very good picture, so we can easily understand from it. Okay, so many things are there to see, like a branch office, hub site, sharing files across,
data
branch
collection.
office, hub site, data distribution, site to site replication. So many things are there. Okay, so create a namespace, create a folder in namespace, add a target folder, set ordering, method of target folders, the reference. This is the how to configure. Okay. I didn't write any definitions or things here. So what I'm trying to do is, so first of all, just for a reference only, guys, not it is my notes. Just for a reference I've given. Important thing is understanding. Okay. Okay, so deploying namespace, replication I didn't write in. Okay, no problem. Yeah, we have to install a DFS first. DFS is located in a server manager. Okay, and file and storage, file and iSCSI. Remaining just you can go through once, replication groups and all. Okay, so you can go through once, you will understand. If you understand the concept, you will understand. Here we require at least to use two servers. Two servers minimum. We required two servers, and one client is also enough. But we don't have two servers, right? If you put another server, what happen? System become slow, freeze, tension. Okay, so we try to do with one single server only. Okay, so in the server, what we do? Server manager, manage, add roles and feature. So in that one, so you have to go to next, right? Select and the roles, find file and storage. Under that one, you can find file and iSCSI. Okay. Under that one, you can find DFS namespace. We are doing namespace only, not replication. To understand replication, compulsory required compulsory required okay, so two servers are required. At least namespace we will try. Okay, install the namespace. Manage, add roles and features. Go up to roles, right? Yes. Where it is located?
Files and storage.
DFS namespace. Very good. So go through this. Also, DFS may enable you to group shared folders located on different servers. Group shared folders located on different servers into one or more logically structured namespace. Logically structured namespace. Each namespace appear to users as a single shared folder with a series of subfolders. Okay, so it is appear like a single shared folder which contains subfolders. However, the underlying structure of namespace can be consist of numerous shared folders located on a different servers and multiple sites. Very good. Okay. So what we do? Now it got a definition. Explanation of DFS is there, guys. I will share this picture also. Try to note down this description. If you want, I will type it. Okay. For me, no problem. For replication also, you will get it. Okay. It will take lot of time. That's why I'm not writing it. Okay. So compulsory go through this part. Okay. So break the line by line. Okay. Break the line by line. Wait. Okay. So select DFS namespace. Add features. Next. Next. Select this option. Yes. That's it.
Installing.
Okay. Let it install. Yeah, we need a client also. If you want, you can add a client also. Someone has to access, right? So we need a client. Okay, so the side pane will be opened by clicking here. So library, okay, like this. This is a bottom pane, not at all required. Just close that. Okay. Side panes, if you don't require, okay, so you want a more visible screen, you can do it. So a lot of people don't do it. Why? Because of not familiar with all options, right? Like it's a full screen. It's a full screen. Oh, 4 o'clock. No. Okay. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Close. And this is something we have to give comment like that. Okay, so DFS is also installed. Actually, in domain controller, we should not install the additional services. Active Directory DNS is okay, but other things are not okay. Okay, so DFS is installed. So go to find out where is the DFS management. DFS management. Okay, let it open. See, it is name space and this is replication. Okay, so I click on a namespace. Why it is suddenly become slow? We have a lot of work with Windows servers. Do not delete that server, guys. We need a server for virtualization also. Hyper-V. Okay, you want to work with a Hyper-V, either Windows 10 or a Windows server should be there. Snap-in is not responding. Why? So publish data to multiple servers, collect data for a backup purpose, manage namespace and replication group. These are the DFS tasks. What are there? Publish data to multiple servers, collect data for a backup purpose. Okay, so manage namespace and replication group, add namespace to display, add replication group to display. So like that, it is showing get started part. So I'm going to namespace. Nothing is there. You can add a namespace. First was I'm creating new namespace. New namespace. You have to tell which server like S1, S2 kind of stuff. We don't have, so we have our own server only. Browse my server name in S1, check it. So shared folder in the WinS1. So check the WinS1. Click OK. Server name is WinS1. My server only. We have one single server only. Next, enter a name for a namespace. This name will be appear after the server or a domain name in the namespace path, such as //server/name or a domain/name. So I'm giving this name is batch 17 namespace, something, some name we can put it. Okay, so instead of confusion I put a namespace. Edit setting. So this is all users have a read only permission, all users have a read and write permissions. The namespace shared folder is location is C drive DFS roots. It is created under C drive. The namespace shared folder. All users read and write permissions. Our administrator have full access. All other users have read only access. Administrator have full access. Other users having read and write permissions. Use custom permissions. Read only, read and write. So I given full permission. Okay. Next. Okay, so namespace is a domain-based namespace or standalone namespace. Domain-based means domain.com, something domain name also came. / domain name / your namespace.
Namespace.
Standalone means server base.
Wins.
So I'm using domain base only.
Okay.
And nothing to settings and all completed. Confirm. Create a namespace in progress. Created successful. Close it. Namespace is completed. Now what to do? You have to add a namespace servers. Go through these servers. You can add a multiple servers here. Okay. Namespace. Add a namespace server, new folder, like that it is there. The folder name, for example, we need a shared folders are required. Already we have a shared folders, but not commonly shared folder, right? It is not commonly shared folder. One folder is there, that is first of all the C drive. See, DFS root namespace. Okay, E drive. This is permissions are column, right? So yeah, we can use key share folder also, but I'm creating different folders. Share one. Okay. I created a folder name is share one or data one. I created data one. I am sharing it. Advanced sharing. Share this folder. Share name is share one. Permissions everyone. Apply. Okay. Okay. Security. Edit. Any authenticated user can able to access. Authenticated users. Security permission. Full control. Okay. I got a data one. So what I'm trying to do is I'm creating a share name is like a what is it? Projects. Okay. Project 17. So again, name is different. Add, browse, share one. Okay. Okay. So what I've done like that. So otherwise you can add more, like you can, I'm creating another folder, data 2. Again, I'm sharing this one. Okay, you can go through multiple locations also. Share this folder, permission, everyone, apply OK, apply OK, security, edit, add. You can use everyone also, no problem. Authenticated users. full access. Sharing. I didn't change the share name. So I want to change the share name. Share to. So remove this one. So share to. Apply OK. I changed it. Again, I already added a share one, so I'm adding share one, share two. Browse, share two. Okay. So two shared folders under one. It is asking replication. So now, okay, this is one folder, two shares. Okay, under one folder, two shares. Of course, we have to put some data in it. In data one, I'm going to create some file for understanding. F1. This is F1 in data one. Yes. Data 2. Create a folder file F2. This is F2 in data 2. Okay, so just I'm trying. Okay, so when we got result, then we will understand somewhat. Okay, like this. This is the namespace. Under that one, you can create a multiple folders. Okay, you can create a multiple folders. Under that one, you can link to the target folders also. So that is what we are doing here. So this is the main name. Okay, server is on. Very good. Now go to run / my domain name domain17.com / B17 namespace. Okay, see project 17 F2. F2 is showing. And where is F1? No data 1, data 2, no share 1, share 2. Yeah, share 1, share 2 is there. Individually shared. Okay, individually shared. But not showing, data is not showing. It should show, but it is not showing, but no problem. We open with the domain, right? So this is our namespace. You can see namespace. Under that one, we create a folder project 17. So both are enabled. No replications. No server. Replication status not equal. Replication folder. Share 1, share 2 both are there, but it is not showing both. Why? See, in F2, you have, in share 2, you have F2. In share 1, we have a F1. But it is not showing F1. Go to C drive, root, project 17. Can't able to open it. Why? Both are in a same server. No problem. Add, browse, key share. Now under project 17, I have a 3 folders. So under project 17, nothing. Maybe there is a fault in sharing also. So remove this one. If I don't want, I can delete it, right? So I'll try again. This is C drive. I'll share something from C drive. This is a data 3. Contains a file. F3. Sharing. Advanced sharing. Permissions. Full permissions. So name is data 3. Data 3 name is data 3 only. So I didn't change it anything. Add everyone. Authenticated users. Close it. Target folder. Browse. Data 3. Okay. What is showing? Nothing. Why it is not showing other? I removed everything. So it is a permission is also there. Domain admin, system admin. Okay. I had only one target, so I removed everything. I had only one target, only share one. Now it is showing F1. Okay, it's working. So I changed the share folder name also. So under this name domain17.com B17 namespace data share. I seen F1 is shared. Okay, without going to subfolder, it will become a subfolder. Okay, and this is one sharing, one target share. I put another target. We'll try share to. Replication group can be keep to folder again synchronize. You want to create replication group? No. Okay, share to. Click here, refresh. Still it is showing F2. F1. Okay, it's not showing F2. Okay, so what I will try to do is I'll add another name. Okay, I'm creating another folder. I put a data shares 2. This time target is data 3. See, 2 are there. Under this one, this is the data 3. Under this one, this is data 2 and data 1. Shares, share 2. See it is F3 is showing. Okay, but I want as multiple folders data. Because this replication related problems are there. That's it is not getting. Only one single target folder only it is working. Not everything. Okay guys, this is a namespace. You go to namespace, you get a folder. Under that one, what are the data is shared, you can get it from there. So no need to know from where it is showing, where it is coming like this. Okay, simply go to the concerning project and get that all the subfolder in it, data in it. Actually, it should work. Both the folders data should be shown. It is not showing. Okay, guys, understand how to work with the DFS.
Yes, sir.
This is share to. Yeah, some authentication issues. Okay, so next, just take a break. FSRM is very good one. Okay, not now. So after the break, guys, just relax, take a 10-15 minutes of break. Come back at 4:40. Okay. So I don't